You're tired of opening doors the traditional way? Or here in South Korea, they open doors a little bit different. Got touchscreen keypad and little key fobs. You want to open your door? Put the fob on it, indicator. And here we go, the door opens. And once you get inside, that's what it looks like. You want to close it, or it can close automatically. So if you're concerned about the battery dying inside, because it's powered by batteries, looks like 4 AA batteries. The battery dies. Don't have to worry about that. What you do is you just slide down on the front panel and put a 9-volt right there. And I guess put your fob on there also, and they let you in. But pretty cool way to open your door. Leave your keys at home. They got other ones also. One made by Samsung. A little bit different, a little bit cool. I think the batteries are dead in this one. Same principle. Get a little key fob. Put it on there. It opens right on up. It's a little bit cool. Like more for like a hotel or business. Made by Samsung also. The fob. Tap it on there. Batteries dead on that one too. But open door right on up.